Super Cooper GS. Emerald Colt out of the half-sister of Winchester HS. Super Cooper GS was bred out of the half-sister of Frank Schuttert's International Grand Prix winner Winchester HS and has the same Grand Dam as the excellent Grand Prix mare California, ridden by Edwina Tops Alexander. Therefore, he represents his successful Dutch dam line, from which also international 140 horses like Umero 3, Selton and Annabelle descend. Combined with this family is the Olympic stallion Emerald van Ruytershof. He is developing into an outstanding progenitor of Grand Prix show jumpers as he produced top-level horses like Igor, Nika van de Bishop and Emerald van Voorhof already.